Here we have 2 points are shown on a coordinate grid. Which measurement is closest to the distance between points K and L? And we have 4 possibilities: 7, 5, 10, and 20 units. Okay, so if you're not exactly sure what to do, I always like to start with just drawing something. Okay, and I know I want the distance between K and L and as close as I can get. So I just draw a line. And hopefully when you see this, you can see that you could create a right triangle easily because you've got those 2 points K and L and everything's lined up. It tells you which points they are on. So once you get to this point and you have a right triangle, we can draw the right angle there. And I do that just because that right angle crosses the legs, and the legs are A and B. Okay? And then it points to the hypotenuse, which is H. All right? So I've set everything up in order to use the Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to go ahead and write it. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. And now all I need to do is fill in A and B. And to do that, I need to know how long is A and how long is B. So we can either count. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units for B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units for A, or I could say 7 minus 2, right? And then same thing here, 7 minus 2. Okay? Either way, we get 5 for both of them, so I can start filling in this formula. So I have 5 squared plus 5 squared, and that's equal to C squared. 5 squared is 25, plus another 25 is equal to C squared, and 25 plus 25 is 50. Now in order to get C, just C and not C squared, I have to take the square root. So the square root of C squared is just C. And the square root of 50 is not a perfect square, but 49 is, and it's extremely close to 50. And I know the square root of 49 is equal to 7 because 7 squared is 49. So I'm going to change this to squigglies. So say C is about equal to 7. All right, I feel really confident in that answer. Okay, and I will leave it to you to go ahead and punch in the square root of 50 and see what you get, and if you agree with me. All right, well, I hope this has helped, and I will see you in the next one.